Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the DX12 error code for Marvel Rivals, and let's get straight into the video. So there are two fixes for this error code, and the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and just update your drivers. So if you are on NVIDIA, go over to GeForce Experience, just go ahead and double click on that, wait for it to load. Do whatever the equivalent is on AMD as well, but anyways, for NVIDIA, just go ahead and open it, and you can go ahead and hit not now, but it should, and then you can make it over to drivers, go over to check for updates if you have any updates. But if you do have a update, just go ahead and hit download, and then once that's downloading, you could restart your PC and you're good to go. Another method you guys can do is, the second method you guys can do is go over to Steam or wherever you have it installed from. So Epic Games Launcher, Steam, doesn't really matter. Go over to Marvel Rivals, right click on it and hit properties. From here, go over to installed files. From installed files, go ahead and hit verify integrity of game files. Verify this game files are installed correctly, because it could also be an issue with any corrupt files. So what that does is that just removes any corrupt files, and yeah, you guys should be good to go. Once you do that, you can go ahead and open it up and you should be good to go, and that is it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.